bringing up the wheelbarrow. You see cement there. This is the machine there to bring up the cement from the ground floor. Almost ready to go. Had some problems earlier, but we fixed them. Water pump wasn't working. From yesterday, there was a problem with the electricity, and going through all these things just to find out it's the fuse in the plug that was bad. So fixed this, and now the water is running from the well, from the pump, and they can get water to mix the cement. And almost ready to go to pour the cement. They are pouring cement. They're not the neatest, but get the job done. And here, on top of the water tower, tanky will go here. Fundi Hamis this is Fundi Hamis. Fundi Hamis, say hi!
Hey! Meshi na kitu na bata na bata. Wako ngapi?
Bismillah. I'm thankful. Here in Zanzibar, getting my house built. It's amazing. Coming all the way from the U.S., coming from the struggles of black men in the U.S., to have patience, foresight, understanding. This is many years in the making. Started studying Africa when I was 13. I'm 53 now. No, I'm 55. Hey, cutting some years off. Started studying when I was 13. Islam, Africa, and 55 now. This has been a long, long journey. In Zanzibar. So this one is for me. It's a studio apartment, and I'm planning to have another building. Actually, over here, 2 bedrooms, and then it'll be 2 bedrooms, bathrooms in both, and then outside communal kitchen. And maybe that pool is expensive, I don't know. But then develop all this area here for food and trees. There in the corner, there. Plan to wall off an area there and have that for the community. Can come play chess, talk, have seminars. Let me see over here. Using simple tools for getting the job done. Get to really understand the base principle of science behind it. building.
Yang wakuduja wanakuja wapi? Wanakuja Paje huko. Wanakuja. Ngapi hizo? Watatumia. Wakoje? Wewe nasi wewe. Kikura hiki hapa inaweza kupiga nini?
So they are finishing up now. They have enough cement there. They just have to smooth it. And we finish for the day. Or we finish this ceiling. It's a little bit more. Hey, big difference from this morning. It's okay. The smoothing continues. You can see the water is gathering at the edge here, which is good. This is what I want, so that all the water runs off this side instead of staying on the roof. The water will start from here and run down this way. There's a slight slope. There's a slight slope this way. You can't tell, but it allows the water to run off the roof. Okay, from this morning until now, job is finished. Now it has to dry to get strong, like 21 days. 21 days to get strong. But from here, we'll put a short wall all the way across where you see the metals. It'll be like a wall 4 bricks high all the way around. All the way around to here, so you don't fall off. You can just stay up here and you can't walk off. So it'll be 4 bricks high. I think that will be in 2 days.